Assalamu alaikum. I will send you a file, um, this file here. So this file is a file that we'll be using to start any JavaFX project. Okay, so it's prepared to download all the dependencies so that students do not lose time. Um in reality, we don't have time to learn Maven, so Maven allows to manage dependencies easily. Okay, so this is our starter project for all the JavaFX labs. Okay, so I'll show you how to run it. By the way, you don't need to install JavaFX or Maven in your computer to use this. Okay, so I'll show you how we can do it. So you need an Eclipse. This version of Eclipse contains Maven already inside it. Okay, so I will run Eclipse here, and then I will show you how to import the project. So this is the project I have to, of course, extract it first. Okay, I will tell Eclipse to use this folder as the workspace. Okay, so with Eclipse you have to specify a folder where you will have all your projects, and it's called the workspace. So this is the folder that will contain all my projects. This one being the first. Okay, so I'm waiting for Eclipse to open. It's taking some time. I'll pause. Okay, now it opened. First of all, I received this message because here there is a Windows Defender who is blocking IDE, so I have to exclude our IDE from Windows Defender. I don't know if this needs administrative rights. I think yes. So on the labs of the computer labs, I don't know if this will work normally. Okay, so now I will uh, choose my workspace. So the workspace is this one. It has this folder, but normally it will not appear as a project. So now Eclipse is restarting. Okay, so now Eclipse is pointing to normally the right workspace. And now I have to import the project that I showed you so that it is considered as part of the workspace. So I have to import here existing Maven projects. Okay, so you don't import it as an existing project, but an existing Maven project. You specify your project, finish, and then I will switch to the classic or light interface because the other one I don't like it in Eclipse. Now Eclipse is restarting again. Okay. So now, so here the project is called HelloFX. I think that name is coming from the POM. Here, it's coming from here. So I can change this to simple application. I will delete the project and then re-import it and see if we have the new name. I think we have the new name. Okay. Okay, so I'll send you the project with the corrected name. Where is it? Was here. Okay. So now to execute the project, you have first of all to download to ask Maven to download all the dependencies uh, that are described here. The dependencies are described in the POM, as you can see here. Um, it's this one. Okay. The version of JavaFX here is 23. Okay, so um, we have to run here, click on the POM, right click on the POM, run as Maven build, and here specify clean JavaFX run. Okay, and then run. Then Maven here will download all the dependencies if they are not already downloaded, and we'll start the application. So this is the application. Okay, so you can start the application again by doing this. It's not. Oh, you cannot start from here. Okay, you have always to do. You can go to run configurations, and we have the. Okay, so I will remove this configuration. Okay, you can run it as a Java application only if you have installed JavaFX. Okay, so we can go here again and then run. It will recompile and re-execute. Okay, so now you have the link directly here to rerun the application. So if you make any modifications, you can rerun it there. Okay, so this was the simplest way I found for the students. Okay, so that you don't have to install anything on the machine. Maven, you don't have to install it. JavaFX, you don't have to install it. It will be downloaded by Maven. That is embedded in this Eclipse. Okay, so that's why you have to download um, Eclipse for web developers. Why? Because it includes already Maven. Okay, so let me know if you have any problems running this program.